We're gonna be singing A Whole New World.
And kiss me.
Then you let your heart decide. I can open your eyes, make you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under. The magic carpet ride, a whole new world. A new fantastic point of view. No one can tell us no, where to go. But we're only dreaming of a new world. But nothing quite familiar. But when we appear, it gets so clear. But now I'm in a whole new world of you. Unbelievable
I
sight,
can see.
indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, thrilling, and endless sun in the sky, a whole new world. Magic songs and things to see, I'm like a shooting star, I'm so far, so fast, Really crazy. Are we bored, Addison? No, I am. Alright, that's me and Addison singing Whole New World. Yay!
I want to do it again.
Alright, we'll do it again, but we're not going to do it on this video, okay? We're going to do it on the next one, alright? So say bye-bye for now, YouTube. Say TTFN.
It's
Ta-ta.
fun.
Ta-ta for now.
That's fun.
We love you, YouTube. And apparently Addison is hyper. No, we discussed this. Don't do it.